everyone, my name is Apeksha Gupta. I read in class 2nd B. My school name is Duma Devi Children's Academy. Today I will tell you about preposition. First preposition is on. On is when we have to tell about before time, then we can say on, such as when my school is at 8 o'clock and I reached on 7 o'clock. So here we are talking about on before time. So we are saying on. Next, on is used for location, such as the cat is sitting on the box. Here the preposition on is telling that the cat is sitting before, means the cat is sitting already on the box. And thirdly, the on tells about the part of time, such as on the morning I drank milk. Sorry, not on the morning. On is used, and the thirdly, on is used for day or date. Day or date. Then, such as I will meet you on Sunday, or we had meet on 15th August. Here the on is telling about day and date. Next preposition is in. The in tells about time. When we are it tells about time, such as in the morning I drank the glass of milk. In the evening I had gone to the park. Secondly, the in tells about location, such as the cat is sitting in the box. This preposition in tells about that the cat is already inside the box. And then the in tells about the time, such as I reached my school in time. Third, into. The third preposition is into. We use into when we are talking, when anything is changing the place, when any person or animal or thing is changing their places, then we use into, such as I reached into that side. He gone into other room. And the fourth preposition is near. The near used for the location. Anything is near something, means anything is near something, such as I am standing near the board. Then in this we are talking that I am standing near the board. मैं बोर्ड के पास ही खड़ी हूँ. Fifth one is at. We use at when we are coming on the time, such as My school is at 8 o'clock and I reached my school at 8 o'clock. We are talking that I have reached at the correct time. We use that for the correct time. Then towards. Towards tell us about that we are going near something, such as I am going towards the camera. I am going towards the camera. Next is off. Off tell us about that we are telling the something about, such as we rub off with duster. Sorry. The correct time of the study is 7 o'clock. Means the off is telling that what is the correct time. Now during. During tells about the period of time. Such as during my maths class, I was talking with my friend. During. The during is telling that when the anything is working, when the anything is going on, then we are doing it, that thing. Such as in this sentence that I have spoke, that during my maths class I was talking, is telling about it in during my maths class. When my maths class was going on, then I was talking. So, summary. On tells about time, location, day or date. In tells about time, location or time. Means where in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, in the noon, in the night, and other time is used for such as my school is in 8 o'clock, but I came in 7 o'clock. Sorry, but I came in 8 o'clock. Now into use when the anything is changing their location, such as I am going into that room. Near tells about that something is near something, किसी के कोई चीज किसी के पास है, such as I am standing near the board. Towards tells about that something is going near to anything, such as I am going towards camera. Now off tells about that what relation of anything, such as we have read the uses of preposition. This is telling off is telling that we have learned the uses of preposition. हमने preposition के uses पढ़े. Then during tells about period of time. During my maths class, I was eating snacks, I was talking.